Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here all you have to do is to simply swipe in order to find the apps. As you can see, they should be under sound in the device section. So let's tap on it, and here simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. We've got the reset up preferences option, and after tapping on it, your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And actually, this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.